Welcome to the Backyard Smoke Show with Outdoor Home. I'm Kenny, and today we're doing baked fried chicken on the Big Green Egg. Okay, so let's get started. What we're doing now is dredging the chicken. I've got my dry rub here. This seasoning, this is 4 parts flour. We've got 2 parts cornmeal, and then you do 1 part of your favorite seasoning that you want to do of the chicken. And today, I'm doing the Texas Chicken Tickler from John Henry. Good stuff, of course, great on chicken. So that's actually mixed in here. I've got some egg wash, so we're just going to take the remaining 2 chicken thighs here, get a good coating on that, and you want to make sure you get a nice coating on to make the crust here. Kind of push it down in. So the one trick to this recipe that is crucial, part of the reason why we're inside, is this has to rest. Once we get done with this process, this has to go in a refrigerator for at least 2 hours. That is what allows it to kind of soak, lets that crust soak in before it goes on the Big Green Egg. That's going to give us that crust that's going to be similar to fried chicken, even though it never touches the oil. It's going to be simply baked on the Big Green Egg. Got our thighs good to go. They'll look like that. You'll see what they'll look like when they come out. We're going to put these in the refrigerator for 2 hours now. There we go. Okay, so we have our chicken that's been resting in the refrigerator for 2 hours. You can see it looks a little bit different now. The idea here is it's going to kind of mimic that crust of fried chicken by letting it sit. The crucial that it's in there for 2 hours. So these are ready to go on the grill. We've got our Big Green Egg set up today right at 350 degrees, and this is going to cook for about an hour. So much like just putting it in the oven, going to set these right on the grate. So these are going to cook for about an hour. We're set up indirect, much like an oven, and I've got them skin side up, and we're going to flip them in about 20 minutes. All right, it's been about 20 minutes. We're going to go ahead and turn our chicken, flip them over here. Started skin side up. Now we're going to go skin side down. We're going to give those another 20 minutes before we turn them again. All right, let's take a look at our chicken here. It's time to flip them one more time. So we're skin down. We're going to flip it last time to get skin up. Look at that. You can see it's starting to get nice and crispy. We got about another 20 minutes and those will be just like fried chicken. All right, it's been about an hour. Take a look here. We have our fried baked chicken. Nice and crispy. These are done. We're going to pull these off. Juicy on the inside, crisp on the outside. If you want to try this at home, recipe at ky3.com. All your barbecue supplies, your tips, your tricks, everything you need to do this at home on the Big Green Egg, available at Outdoor Home in Nixa.